Hi everyone, my name is Noah Drymalski. I'm a master's student in history at the University of Nevada, Reno, and I'm super excited to be working with Dr. Kais and all of your teachers over the next year to help you guys with this course, help with grading and all that. I went to high school here in Reno, and I graduated in 2017. My last year in high school there, I was in the We the People program, which is kind of similar to the course you guys are going to be taking this semester. I was able to get some college credit since it was an AP class, but I think that class was really invaluable in terms of preparing me for college because you learn a lot of research skills and sort of how to work in a group and some really good writing skills. So I think a lot of the skills from that class and this class too should be really transferable and set you guys up for success when start at university probably next year and the next year or two. So for my undergrad, I also did that at UNR, and I got my degrees in political science, in international affairs, and Spanish literature. And that experience was really good. And like I said, the class I took my senior year in high school really prepared me for the research I was going to do in college in terms of knowing what sources to look at and knowing how to write succinctly, but in a way that conveys information in a good way. And I think this class should help with that. So I finished my undergrad in 2020, and then I started this grad program in the fall of last year, and I have another year left. So it's a 2-year program. And in the program at UNR, we sort of look at a lot of different periods in history, and there's different required courses. My focus is on sort of the civil rights era, and more specifically, civil rights in Nevada. So every history student, master's history student at UNR, is required to write a thesis, which is up to 100 pages, and it's due at the end of your 2 years. And the topic I'm focusing on is the activism in Reno surrounding the 1960 Winter Olympics at Tahoe. So in Reno during that time, there was a lot of work between like the local NAACP and some labor groups. So the Nevada AFL-CIO, which is just a labor organization, the California Labor Federation, were also involved in sort of protesting discrimination and segregation in Reno during the time they're trying to use the Olympics as sort of a reason to get Reno to desegregate. So that's currently what I'm researching. So I'll be working on that while I'm sort of helping with the implementation of this course. And again, I'm really excited to work with everyone. Yeah, can't wait to get started. Thanks, guys.